Welcome to the Hitachi ID Systems demo series featuring Hitachi ID Bravura Identity. This video will demonstrate how users can own and manage functional or non-human accounts. For example, service accounts, admin accounts, test accounts, etc. It is important that a human user is accountable for each non-personal account to maintain the password and confirm it is still required. Users may have one or more generic or non-personal functional accounts, often used for testing or as service accounts. These accounts should be linked to their owners for both accountability as well as functional reasons. For example, passwords and entitlement levels must be maintained to promote good account security hygiene. Using Hitachi ID Bravura Identity, users can view all of their non-personal accounts and ensure that each is required, has a strong password associated with it, and has an appropriate level of entitlements assigned for the task it performs. To configure non-personal accounts within Bravura Identity, a user class determines which accounts are classified as non-personal. An attribute group determines which attributes can be modified. A pre-built certification campaign allows review and modification of the above attributes. I'll be using a Hitachi ID demo environment with Bravura Identity to demonstrate how an admin user can open and run a saved entitlement certification campaign for non-human accounts, and then Billy can perform the review. Before running the campaign, I'll go over the relevant campaign settings that have been configured. The following saved campaign settings have been pre-configured. Accounts being reviewed are from the non-human accounts user class. Members of this user class come from the accounts in the Accounts That Are Not a Personal Account AD managed group that Billy is the owner of. The certification of non-human profile attributes predefined request has been selected to update profile attributes. Certification by defined relationship has been specified. Reviewers must be members of the built-in user class Manager Direct. In other words, the reviewer is the direct manager of the user under review. For a reviewer to complete the certification, a sign-off password is required, and certifications are valid for 30 days. To launch the campaign, I'll log in to Bravura Identity as superuser. In this demo environment, I can bypass authentication. From superuser's home page, under Administrative Options, they click Manage Certification Process. To locate saved certification campaigns, click the Saved Certification Setups tab here. Superuser selects the non-human account certification campaign and clicks on the Submit tab, then scrolls to the bottom of the page. To run the saved campaign, they click Launch Campaign and then start it. Superuser clicks Refresh to update the UI. Now they can click on the magnifying glass to view campaign details. If they click on the Review tab, we can see that there are 4 open segments for review, or 4 manager subordinate groups. If they click on the Details sub-tab, we can see details for each segment, including the manager or reviewer names and their progress. Let's log in to Bravura Identity as one of these managers and perform their review. I'll use Billy. Again, I can bypass authentication in this demo environment. We can see that Billy has a Please Review Access notification. She clicks it and is taken to the review. First, if any instructions were specified, they are displayed along with some help text for reviewers, including how to apply actions, use shortcut keys, and finish and sign off the review. Billy closes the instructions. As with all reviews, the view settings can be adjusted using Filter, Search, Show Hide Columns, and deactivate embedded links. Billy scrolls down to see all review sections. Once non-human account profiles are carefully reviewed in each included section, various actions can be taken, including certify, revoke, delegate, transfer, add comments, and edit in the case of profile attributes. Billy will now complete her required review of non-human accounts. Items can be certified individually or multiple items can be selected, as she'll do here. Reviewers may transfer ownership of an account to someone else, or request that the entitlements of the account be adjusted up or down as needed. Billy will edit an attribute and click Apply. She continues the review. Until an action has been applied to all items. Once the review is completed, Billy clicks Finish. She enters her password as a signature and signs off the completed review. This concludes our demonstration of reviewing attributes of non-human accounts using Hitachi ID Bravura Identity. Thanks for tuning in. Hitachi ID offers a range of demonstration and training options. Click the links in the description below to watch more demo videos or to register for training. Visit our website to learn more.